Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, so let's keep up with our analysis of the euro currency. Well, although we have suggested that probably this market could become boring coming closer to the Christmas, but it seems that intrigue should hold on the market right until the holidays. Just because performance right now stands interesting. Actually, market is forming some patterns. It's actually not very typical for Christmas markets, but well, all the better. So if we'll take a look currently on a daily chart, we do not see something really special. Yesterday market has shown the retracement that we talked about. And on intraday charts, we've got some clarity concerning our setup that we discussed yesterday. In general, there are actually two moments. First is if you take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, here we start getting clear signs of the forming triangle, which after the rally could be treated as a positive sign, I mean bullish. So concerning a relation with the MACD, take a look at the MACD definitely shows bearish trend and some kind of the significant slope, while market mostly stands in sideways, forming high lows. So appearing in triangle after the strong rally and with the dropping on the MACD, I suspect that it might be treated as a bullish dynamic pressure. So currently chances on the possible upward breakout seems well, relatively good. So it might happen maybe even today, tomorrow. We will see. Today we will get the personal consumption expenditures numbers, so it might be also important, especially if they appear to be weaker, as euro could get some support. Besides, as you could see yesterday, we see downward turn on the stock market. It's not really something really outstanding, but the drop on the 1.5–2% yesterday, well, usually it supports the currency. So markets, stock markets and currencies usually moves in opposite direction. So if DAX index start dropping, as you could see that usually euro is accompanied with the rising of the euro currency. Not always, but very often. So by taking a look at the other markets, here we do not see something really bad. On dollar index, you could see that the same pennant is forming. Here's also interesting moment, guys, with the dollar index, that take a look, that pennant is forming right at the XOP target. So all that market could do right around the major XOP on the daily chart is just to form sideways action. And here you could see it's usually actually when the market hits the XOP, it's in a normal situation, it should be some retracement, some reaction, at least a minor reaction, some pullback. But for now, we do not see it. So market just hits the XOP, even has dropped slightly below it, and then stands flat. It means that it has no sufficient power to show even minor retracement, which is also, as you understand, supportive, potentially supportive for the performance on the euro currency to the upside. On the 10-year bonds, as we expected, yields has dropped slightly more, but you could see that XOP still has not been touched yet. So maybe today, tomorrow this will happen. And anyway, minor decreasing of the yields also will be supportive, will be negative for the dollar and supportive for the euro currency. So this cross-market analysis tells that we do not have some significant barriers on the possible appreciation of the euro currency. So that led us to treat these performances potentially bullish. Now returning back to the idea of the entry in a trade. So that's our butterfly that we discussed recently. And here we could get the second chance of the position taking. So with this recent performance, we have more clarity right now on the possible depth of this retracement. As you can see, this ABCD pattern has been formed. And actually, it has the OP right around fib level 109.25, making the agreement with this level. So that's nice area to consider taking the long position if you would like to participate in all this stuff, because actually we will have just today and maybe tomorrow trading session. Then we are going to Christmas holidays, and well, not everybody prefer to keep the positions for the holidays. But anyway, this is the area that we need to consider. So if you're interested with the taking long position, you could also watch for this level. Invalidation point of all this stuff, this bullish construction, stands below this area, just because we're dealing with the butterfly, and that's invalidation point of the butterfly. Until market stands inside of this swing, flirting here, it gives bullish chances. So on possible upper direction. 110.40, we still keep this target by far, because for this week it seems most realistic. So not necessary to change it. And I suspect that here we could get something AB equals CD. So this very similar legs, probably with the same destination points. So it's just we will measure it approximately right from here, slightly lower, but in general very close. So that's actually what we have on the euro currency. If you're still thinking about taking long position, keep an eye on this area. Also, you could check by yourself, but that might be some kind of the free drive probably here as a reversal pattern. So we could consider, but let's see. Probably not. It's just because here at 127 stands lower from this swing. But anyway, this is the support area, seems good, and is the first one. Actually, first one and the last one that we could consider, because below this we do not have any supports, and if market start dropping back to the lows, that will just be not quite desirable when you're dealing with the bullish patterns and you're dealing with the butterfly. You do not like if market come too close to the lows of the butterfly, just because it's increasing chance of the failure and downside breakout. And if market will stop right here, it will be just perfect. Well, potential risk here stands around 50 pips, 40, 50 pips. So here's 25, 1 rate 86. So here's the 40, and probably some room below this. That's the risk reward ratio that you could calculate by yourself. So that's what we have. Let's see what will happen.